NVTS stock analysis, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to be answering everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end, especially now with Navitas Semiconductor stock. Well, obviously I'm looking to take it further up, and talked about this in my previous video, which is a guaranteed break even currently, but here's that before. At the time, sitting at 508 3 days ago, and since with these red lines I saw the double shift, I've been involved since 566, and it's currently like a guaranteed break even. But I mean, the worst case we hit break even, best case hit the freaking delivery point, which is going to be a +3R. And here's the kicker, there's only two outcomes to this. I'm not going to have like a trailing stop loss or whatever. I have a lot of previous receipts with NVTS, but because in the Discord, but because I've done 41,000 videos, I'm going to stick to my rules that I've tested over 5 years. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.